At the moment, guys, we're at the top of Anakeesta here in Gatlinburg. It's like a theme park on a mountain, but what we're about to show you is their mountain coaster. So it's the only single rail mountain coaster in the country. So in the whole of America, the only one that has a single rail. So these little yellow carts, we're about to jump on and ride down this hill. Let's do it. We're off. Whoa, 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 whoa. Scary. Whoa, oh my God. Fucking hell. Fuck. This is by far the scariest one. This is awesome. The single rail. Oh my God. Let's go. Oh, here we go. No braking. No braking. Fuck. Fuck me. That was... Oh, that was hectic. I had to brake. That actually hurt my neck. Oh, too fast, too furious. Let's go. Yes. Oh man, that was by far the best one, eh? The single rail. This is the only one in the country. The only one in the whole of America, the single rail one. But man, that was fun. That was the fastest. It was scary. It had everything. It was only like 2 minutes, but whew, that was fun. How was that?
It was so much fun. Okay, so we just got off the America's only single rail mountain coaster. This bad boy speeds down the mountain like a race car. Zoom, zoom. It was the second coaster that we've done today, and it was by far better than the other one. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that.